Therefore I Am. That one for Michelle. You had to work this weekend, but I know you've been listening.
I always have you guys on the iHeartRadio app when I'm working.
Oh, well, thank you so much for that. We appreciate it. You can take us anywhere. Really easy to find us anywhere, anytime. And coming up, our 2021 iHeartRadio